Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the online class of Mathematics grade 4. This is the chapter number 1, lesson 7, and the topic is rounding off numbers. Today we are going to work on book 4, pages from 16 to 18. So just take out your book 4 and open the page 16. I hope you all have opened the book. So just look at the page. Rounding numbers to the nearest thousand, this one, nearest 100. So remember, you have done the last lesson, in the last lesson, the round of numbers to the nearest tens, but here you have to round off these numbers to nearest 100. Just take an example on this page. First one, Junhao, City and Bella are taking part in a race. What is the approximate distance that each child has covered? In part A, Junhao has covered distance of 236 meters. Like the previous lesson, what you have to do, first of all, you have to make a number line. What's the number is? 236. Now just tell me, 236 lies between, in which 200? You know this, 236 lies between 200 and 300. Am I right? 236 comes between 200 and 300. So now, listen to me carefully. When you have to round a number to the nearest 100, look at the digit in the tens place. This is 10, this is 1, and this one is 100. Look at the digit in the tens place. When you have to round off the numbers to the nearest tens, you have to check the number in the ones place. But now you are working with the numbers to the nearest 100. So just look at the digit in the tens place. Similarly, the same procedure, the same key, the same method. This is the weak number. This is smaller than 5. So what does happen? It doesn't have any power to push this 100 to the next 100. So what will it happen? 200, what we call here 200, it means this is a weak number and it is less than 5. So 200 will remain the same and it comes over here. So once you will round off 236, it becomes 200. Is it clear? Similarly, come to the next part, that is, City has covered a distance of 478 meters. Again, first of all, you have to make a number line like this. 478, ones, tens and 100. Now tell me, 478 lies between in which 200? This comes between 400 and 500. Now again you have to, when you are working on the numbers with, you have to change to the nearest 100. You just have to check or look at the digit on tens place. So just check, this is a strong number, this is greater than 5. What will you do? It has the power to change this 100 to the next place. If this is 400, it becomes 500. Is it clear? So 478, when you will round off this number to the nearest 100, it becomes 500. Is it clear? Now come to the next part, part C. Look at here. On the next page, come to the next page, open the page. Bella has covered a distance of 750 meters. What you have to do again, 750 comes between which 200s? 700 and 800. Ones, tens and 100. Again, check the digit on the tens place. It is equal to 5. This is a strong number, so it has the power to change this 100 to the next place. It means 700. When you will round off 700, it will become 800. Is it clear? Hopefully you know this method. This one is so easy. Just remember some key points. Come to the question number 2. Round 4628 to the nearest 100. First of all, put the units of each place. This is 1, this is 10, this one is 100, and this one is 1000. Now, you have to work on these last digits because this one is 100. But you have to change the round on numbers, or to round off the numbers to the nearest 100. So just use these three numbers, but you have to check or look at the digit on the tens place, that is 2. This is a weak number. First of all, make a number line. 4628 lies between which 200? 4000 comes as it is, but 628 comes between which 200? That is 600 and 700. So there are two numbers, 4600 and 4700. Now look at the digit on the tens place, that is 2. This is a weak number, or this is a number that is smaller than 5. So what will happen? It will not change the place of or the value of this 600. So it will comes over here. Is it clear? So in first blank, what will you write over here? 4628 is nearer to 4600 than to 4700. And when you will round off this number, 4628, it will become 4600. Is it clear? Okay. By doing this procedure, you can do the question number 3. Again, 27,493. Just take 3 digits, make a number line. 27,493 comes in which 200s? That is 400 and 27,500. 4093 comes between which 200? 400 and 500. Is it clear? Now just look at the tens place. This digit is greater than 5, or it is a strong number. It has the power to change this 400, and it will become this one. So in first blank, 4000. In first blank over here, 27,493 is between 27,400 and 27,500. 27,493 is nearer to 27,500 than to 27,400. And when you will write it over here, the number 27,495, when you will round it off, it will become 27,500. Is it clear? By doing this procedure, you are able to do the question number 4 by yourself, and the question number 5 on the next page over here. These are so easy. First of all, remember this thing. I'm telling you again and again. Remember this thing. When you are working on these type of questions, always put the unit of each number on its place. Then, whenever you are working on the tens number, the number rounding off to the nearest tens, just take the number on the ones place. But when you are working on 100 place, that is to round off the number to the 100 place, then always check the digit on the tens place. Is it clear? And this is the activity. You have to do it by yourself. This one is so easy. They have given you an example. And the question number 4 on page 17 and question number 5 on page 18, you have to do it by yourself right now. Don't close your books. And after doing these questions, this is your homework. This one is your homework. That is book 4A, page 15 to 16. The same question, and you have to do this question in the way which I told you. So complete your work, and if you find any confusion or help, then please ask me in the group. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.